Once upon a time, in a world not unlike our own, there was a jovial traveler named Alex. With a heart full of wanderlust and a backpack always ready by the door, Alex embarked on a journey that would take him across the lands, through the valleys, and into the hearts of many. Chapter 1: The Bulgarian Village. Alex's adventure began in a quaint Bulgarian village, nestled between rolling hills and sun-kissed fields of lavender. The villagers, with their warm smiles and traditional garb, welcomed Alex like a long-lost friend. He spent days learning their dances, tasting their spicy stews, and listening to tales of folklore under the starry sky. Chapter 2: The Greek Encounter. As the road led Alex eastward, he found himself in the land of olives and myths, Greece. There, he met an old man with eyes as blue as the Aegean Sea and a beard white as the marble of the Parthenon. This Greek man, named Yannis, shared stories of ancient gods and heroes, igniting Alex's imagination with every word. Chapter 3: The Avant-Garde Traveler. Inspired by the tales and the avant-garde spirit of the places he visited, Alex began to see the world through an artistic lens. He sketched the landscapes with bold strokes and bright colors, capturing the essence of his journey in a series of vibrant paintings that defied convention. Chapter 4: The Cartoonish Twist. One evening, as Alex sat by a campfire, his sketches came to life, leaping off the pages in a burst of cartoonish energy. The characters he'd met, the places he'd seen, all danced around him in a whimsical parade, celebrating the joy of travel and the magic of storytelling. Chapter 5: The Melodic Modes. As the journey continued, Alex discovered the musical modes of each culture. From the haunting Dorian mode that echoed through the Bulgarian mountains to the joyful Lydian tunes that filled the Greek taverns, music became the soundtrack of his travels, each note a memory, each melody a story. Chapter 6: The Road Home. Eventually, the road turned back towards home. Alex, with a heart now brimming with tales and a sketchbook full of memories, knew that this was not the end. For every ending is but a new beginning, and the road, much like a story, goes ever on. And so, traveler Alex's story continues, in the hearts of those he met, in the art he created, and in the echoes of the melodies that still linger in the air, long after his footsteps have faded. The end. Or perhaps, just a new chapter waiting to be written. Alex's adventures continued to unfold in the most unexpected ways. Chapter 7: The Hitchhiking Chronicles. In the heart of the Carpathian Mountains, Alex found himself sharing stories with a hitchhiking girl named Irina. Together, they traversed the winding roads, exchanging tales of their travels and dreams. Irina taught Alex the art of spontaneity, showing him the beauty of unplanned detours and the kindness of strangers. Chapter 8: The Georgian Feast. Crossing into Georgia, Alex was invited to a traditional supra, a feast that lasted for hours. Toasts were made, stories were shared, and Alex was introduced to the harmonious polyphonic singing that seemed to capture the soul of the country. He sketched the scene, his lines flowing with the rhythm of the music and the warmth of the company. Chapter 9: The Truck Driver's Perspective. In a dusty town near the Black Sea, Alex hitched a ride with a truck driver named Georgie. From the high seat of the cab, Alex saw the world through a different lens. Georgie's tales of life on the road and the sights they passed, a field of sunflowers at sunset, a village waking up to the morning light, added depth to Alex's journey. Chapter 10: The Lantern Festival. As Alex ventured further east, he found himself in the midst of a lantern festival. Thousands of glowing lights ascended into the night sky, each carrying a wish or a dream. Alex released his own lantern, watching as it joined the constellation of hopes, a symbolic release of his fears and an embrace of the future. Chapter 11: The Artist's Retreat. Seeking inspiration, Alex spent time at an artist's retreat in the countryside. Surrounded by creatives from all walks of life, he engaged in passionate discussions about art, culture, and the role of the traveler. It was here that Alex began to compile his sketches and stories into a book, a tangible collection of his experiences. Chapter 12: The Return to the Village. Full circle, Alex returned to the Bulgarian village where his journey began. This time, he was not just a traveler passing through but a storyteller, an artist, and a friend. He unveiled his completed book to the villagers, its pages a testament to the journey that had changed him forever. Alex's story is a tapestry woven from the threads of adventure, friendship, and self-discovery. It's a reminder that every journey is unique, and the stories we collect along the way are the true treasures of travel.